speaks a silent truth, a perfect echo of our youth. The filter sweeps a soaring rise, reflected in 1,000 eyes. The air is thick with human heat, a symphony on concrete street. No need for word, no spoken noun, just a beat to heal the heart. Pulsing through the veins, moving, breaking all the chains, fading in the neon rain, dancing to forget the pain. The future's here, the past is gone. We're moving on until the dawn. Just by a sway in the flow, letting go.